Thank you guys so very much for having me. I love you, Long Island. Could I be dreaming? But something feels so wrong. It seems like lately the feelings are not as strong. But I see it in your eyes, and I feel in your touch, and I hear it in your answers when I tell you I love you so much. I can't wait, we're running through your mind, but if you think it's over, tell me, I'm talking we just want you need. You can go try, but I won't stand right by while you were there. Want you so please go on and fly, every woman who's that good to let me. Just wait and see, I can know one like me who will love you, yeah, love you. Now you know I need you, but honey, I'm not crying. And after all the time you should tell me, but you're all feeling inside. But don't you like it to protect me? Well, then you're not being fair, no. But I'm in fire, I'm love you, and not your pretending. You can't get anything. No. Oh, it's going through your mind. No, honey, don't tell me. Just tell me. No, honey, but that's what you need. You got no time. I won't stand right by while you were there. Want you so please go on and fly. Was I good to me? And just wait and see, I know who will love you, will love you. Well, I hope you do it too. You can go try, but I can't get by one more day. She's good to you. Just wait and see that there's no one like me who will love you, like I do. Thank you guys so very much.